My chairman is helping me out. So our soup is ready and chicken. So let's put this one inside the cooler first and cover it. Madam Pekle Africa is here. Help me with the cover of this. Let's dish our soup inside cooler.
Everywhere,
For all your legit lands and properties in Harcourt City.
Banana Island inside the Egusi soup.
Yes, Banana Highland has all the original like in this soup. This is a Egusi soup with okazi. No, not with okazi. With uzuza leaf, periwinkle, cow tail, cow hair, crayfish, momo,
okporoko,
every.
Mende. To cut that soup na walk.
Okay. Somebody want to test.
Somebody want to test the soup.
Somebody want to test the soup.
The person is fatter than Madam Pekle Africa. For all your legit lands and properties in Harcourt City, call Madam Pekle Africa. If you want to test this soup, just buy one plot of land in Banana Highland. So, Banana Highland is located in Harcourt City, just off Peter Odili Road in Harcourt, River State, Nigeria. It has Siogo, and we have phase 1, 2, and 3. Phase 1 and 2, a plot is going for 50 million naira only. So. Because by next quarter of next year 2026, you go to year 70, 80. No say I not tell you. This same land, January this year, I call you to buy 15 million. You snooze, now you don't lose. So quickly they come. People will buy am January 15 million. Now then they sell am 50 million. You see am? So the promo price for phase 3 is 35. By January, February to be 45. You go say na Madam Pekle Africa na talk am. I know they give you property wey no they appreciate. Give me 6 months. You go double wetin you buy am and I go sell am for you. With no bush entry wahala, no community wahala. Just dey call Madam Pekle Africa. Your legit number 1. Madam, good news. I know they keep good news for my belly. They punch me. So I must give it to you. I'm not just good in selling land, I'm good in cooking too. That's why I cook good properties for you. You see this soup? Chai.
Yeah, make am guy on no aquabico. I say kukalos.
You can make it this one.